Welcome back, my dear viewers. So today in this video we will be discussing how to create a classroom and give assignment to our dear children with the help of Adobe. So till now we have done many assignments. We have customized templates, PPTs, videos, but all that was also possible on our mobile phones. But assigning the assignment or creating a classroom will be more convenient if we are doing it on our laptops. So first and foremost thing which we have to do is we have to open this Chrome screen, and then we have to go to these three dots and open the incognito window. Your incognito window will look something like this, and after going to that window we need to write new.express.adobe.com on the search button, and then we have to click on enter. Interface something like this will come, where you have to again enter your email address and the password which has been already given to you by your school. So I am entering my own ID and password here. So now as soon as I have entered my email address, we'll have to click on the continue button, and as soon as we'll click on continue, it will again ask for our password, and here we have to type the password which has been already given to us by school. Now after typing the password, we have to click on the sign in button. Again, this is showing to remember the password, so we can just click on don't show this again and click on yes button. So I have successfully logged in into my ID, and this is how the welcome screen will look like once you log into your Adobe account. So yes, in this video, since we are going to discuss how to create the classroom, here is the classroom option, and then we have to click on this classroom here, and all the classrooms which you have already created, that will be also shown here, and even you will get the option to create a new classroom. So now I am going to create a new classroom by clicking here. I will write the name of the class. For example, I am going to create a class for class 3. Then I have to select the subject. For example, I am going to select the subject that is computer science, and then grade. Grade is for class 3. You can even assign the period in which period you are going to take the class. After filling these details, you need to click on the save button. After saving, your class is now finally created. Now you have to assign for the homework, or you have to give some template as a homework. As soon as you create the class, you will get this link which you need to write it down somewhere or copy it down, so that you can share the same link, same class invite to your children, with the help of which link the students will be able to do their assignment. With the help of this link only, the student will be able to join the classroom and complete the assignment whichever you are giving to them. So it is a request to please note down it somewhere, or click it, or copy the link for future reference. Now after this, you have to create a template, whatever you are wanting to give to the children to do. For example, in computer, I am just going to give them to make the rules for the lab. Alright, so I am going to customize this poster for them. So let's take example of this. I am going to customize this. The children have to complete the rules, means they have to write the rules for the computer lab. So I am now going to customize it and edit this. So back to school, instead of back to school, we can write here just by double clicking here and selecting. You can just erase it, and then you can write your own text. For example, I am going to write computer lab. The first thing I am going to write here is computer lab. So after writing computer lab, I am going to write computer lab rules. So I can edit this rules also. I am going to erase this classroom, and only I am going to write rules. Okay, so here computer lab rules. This is my poster ready. I'm just going to delete all these things so that if the child wants to enter anything, they can enter their own rules. So I am going to erase this area, keep this area erased, and now the children will be writing and creating their own stuff, their own creativity. So this is how I'm going to save this. So now after creating this template, again we have to go to our classroom to assign this. This work will be automatically saved in our Adobe My Stuff. It will be automatically saved here. So now we have to go again to the classroom. So here you cannot see classroom here again, right? So for this you have to click on this Adobe sign symbol. After clicking here, you will again go to your home page, and here again you will be able to see classroom. So I have created the classroom class 3 computers. Now I am going to create the assignment. So we have to click on create the assignment. Then the title of the assignment, the title of the assignment is Computer Lab Rules, and then in instruction I will write learners have to write 4 rules for computer lab, and then I can set the date also. And if I'm setting the date, then after that due date, this assignment will not be shown. Yeah, it will not be visible to the children. That means it is the deadline. After that deadline, they won't be able to do it. For example, I have kept the date 11/11 for my children. It is for grade 3. Now my stuff, what stuff they are going to edit. I am going for the my stuff, and from there I am going to assign this poster or this template. I am going to upload, which they will be editing. After assigning this assignment, I will just click on assign, so that this template, computer lab rules, this template is attached with my assignment. So this is how you can assign the homework or create the assignment in the classroom. So now I can even copy the link from here and send it in the group, through which the children can do, or else the children will log in through their ID and password, and then they can also write that link which I have already shown, जो आपको capital letters में मैंने link दिखाया था. That also you can send to your children. As soon as they will log in to their classroom, they can type that code and then they can do the assignment, which I will be showing you in my next video. So this was all about how to create your classroom, and in the next video I'll be showing how the children will be able to do their assignment by using Adobe.